44. Growth. The psalmist tells us of the godly man, and he shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water, Psalm 1:3. It's very important to understand why the Bible compares us to trees. The language of Scripture isn't accidental, it's deliberate and inspired. The significant fact of life about trees is that they grow until they die. When they stop growing, they start dying. But as long as they are alive, they keep growing and increasing in size and strength. I recall as a boy how huge were some of the great old oaks which then dotted the valley. A dead tree is an unsightly thing and, in some cases, dangerous. Branches can fall, or the whole tree can come down to damage things under it. We tried to cut down our dead trees as soon as possible to improve the appearance of our home or to make room for new growth in our orchard. But what about dead trees in the church? Remember, the Lord compares us to trees, and as long as the trees are alive, they grow. Over the years, I've seen many problems develop in churches, and almost always, no growth members are a major part of them. A tree that doesn't grow has lost the capacity to draw up life-giving water out of the ground. A churchman who doesn't grow is receiving no life from the water of life, Jesus Christ. He may be planted by the rivers of water, but he's dead at the roots and can gain no sustenance. We have an obvious alternative: grow or die.